Closed captioning for great taste is presented by Manitoba Chicken Producers, your online source for yum. Welcome to Great Tastes of Manitoba. My name is Des Daniels, and we are here tonight with Gina Sunderland, Manitoba Chicken, and Manitoba Chicken's most loved recipes. How do you choose? I mean, you've made so many recipes Manitoba Chicken has on this show over the years. How do you even choose that?
Well, I love all of our recipes, but what we do is we take a look at the website and see how many downloads we have on each recipe each year. And the recipes that we're making tonight, Des, are certainly the most loved recipes on Manitoba Chicken's website.
Okay, so you got to get on this train. What were they? What are the two we're going to be making tonight?
Okay, well, we are going to be making our chicken teriyaki bowls. So just so delicious, lots of flavor in that chicken, all kinds of colorful, wonderful veggies. And then we are going to be making our chicken with apricots, rosemary, and ginger. A beautiful recipe that has so many nice contrasting flavors, but uses pantry ingredients.
And a simple weeknight meal, but looks fancy enough to, serve to anyone. You'll see. And then, of course, online bonus content. We've got the online recipe that you're going to do for us as well, which is
our chicken and sweet potato skillet pie. So a beautiful twist on a shepherd's pie with lots of flavor, sweet potatoes, ricotta, and of course lean ground chicken.
Okay, fantastic. So Manitoba Chicken's most loved recipes when we return here on Great Tastes of Manitoba. Great Tastes of Manitoba. Brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods. Great Tastes is sponsored by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture through the Sustainable Canadian Agricultural Partnership.